In my early teens, I got into a lot of trouble. Then in intermediate, I started hanging out with the wrong crowd. They would call themselves a family, but it's another way of calling themselves a gang. And during that time, I'd say my relationship with my family kind of broke.
He was getting into gang activities and he got arrested for drugs and weapons.
The challenges that Tristan had faced was heavily rooted in his association. You know, he had a lot of bad influences, peer pressure. In addition to that, he was still doing drugs.
And I would run away sometimes. And at that time, I still haven't talked to my dad in a while. He was never there for me as a father. And at one point in high school, I did get arrested. And the look on my grandma's face when she started busting out in tears just hurt me, because I don't mean to hurt my family.
Before the program, my biggest fear for him was him ODing on drugs.
The Ole Kahana program is a program that assists at-risk youths between the ages of 14 to 21 who run into issues in school and they drop out. So I sat down with Mom, Auntie, Mom's boyfriend Craig, and Tristan, and I just laid out the entire program and how we could help him achieve goals in his life.
The program, Ole Kahana and David, they made me see that even though you failed or not completed something like high school, there's always something out there to help you get back on your feet.
He had been completely sober for a few months now, and his attitude, he was interacting with the family more, and it was nice to see that he was becoming who he used to be.
Goodwill, the program, did give me a second chance, did help me get back on my feet and get a job, and did graduate and get my GED. And I think that's what helped me create a better relationship with my family.
I'm proud of Tristan and his accomplishments because he was able to believe in himself again, and he was able to figure things out. In less than a year, with Goodwill's help, he was able to get an education, he was able to secure employment and move up in that employment.
I was kind of scared because I didn't think I would do good, but they said that they seen the potential in me, so that's when they started to ask me about becoming a team lead for Jamba Juice.
I don't think he would actually be here or graduate without Goodwill.
My long-term goals are to find a good community college and financial care, and I have the motivation to actually get my dream job as a firefighter.
He went through issues, but he was able to overcome these and become, you know, a functioning member, not of just society, but of his family.
I believe that there's other kids out there in the same position or in the worst position, and I would like them to see that everybody has a second chance.